Hello! This tutorial applies to you after you set up your MQTT broker, preferably with TLS. It can be used anywhere from a Raspberry Pi to an industrial setting to the cloud. And for your system to truly take off, you need Coreflux Assets. These are small pieces of software that provide connectivity. For example, connecting to databases like Firebase, connecting to OPC UA or a Siemens PLC, or even simply providing data to databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MariaDB. You can browse and purchase all available assets at coreflux.org/assets. Then you can go to docs.coreflux.org and find the Flux Asset section, where you can learn how to log into your account, install and uninstall assets, check their configurations, load it, unload it, and save it. Let's give it a try on MQTT Explorer. Go to the topic syscoreflux command and type -h to get all the available commands. Use the login command, which is -L, followed by your username and password. When you see the login done, you can type -L for the list of assets available in your account. For this example, we're going to install a WebSocket broker. Type -I for the install command and type the asset name. Hit publish and it's installed. Now you can see the assets topic, where you find the reboot policies and the process that is running this asset. All power-up assets come ready to run on your broker. To test it, you simply connect with WebSocket. On this current configuration, the base path is MQTT with the WebSocket protocol, so just connecting means you're using WebSockets with Coreflux. This is the way to integrate a new asset. More assets can be integrated here, and you can see if they are started, if they exit, and what memory they're using. When they run processes within themselves with real communications, it shows in the comms topic. In the client section, you can see the clients that are connected and that you have a new asset providing connectivity into MQTT. See you on the next tutorial.